Hello and welcome. Today, we present you with our Be Online app. With your Be Online app, you can manage your business from anywhere, tracking transactions and settlements in real time. In this video, you will learn how to access your GMS account on the Be Online app, how to view and review your transactions in real time, how to view your daily settlement, and much more. You can access your account anywhere in the world. Your all-in-one solution for monitoring your transactions seamlessly, accessing reports, and getting support hassle-free for your business. Let's dive into the features and see how you can make the most out of it. Log into the app using the credentials provided upon signing up with GMS. If you're unsure of your login details, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team for assistance. Upon logging in, you will find yourself in the main menu page with all our features. Let's start by exploring the live transactional report. This pop-up notification will display information about the date and time of settlement periods. At the top right, you will see the current date total transactions and today's sale amount on the top left. Easily filter the report by selecting a date range. Next to this information, you are given the option to download a soft copy of this report. Each transaction displays card type, masked card number, transaction time, transaction amount, and type. If any transactions have failed, cancelled, or declined, the amount will indicate this by turning red with cross text. For refunded transactions, a red negative value will appear. Otherwise, the sale transactions will be in regular black text. At the bottom of the list, you can navigate to the next pages or previous pages of the report. Daily Settlement Report. Here you will get some informational note. This report provides details on your settlement history. The list will show you the date, business name, and the settled amount in green and the pending amount in orange. The info icon beside the date will allow you to check the transaction, start date time, and end date time for a particular settlement. Settlement for transactions occurring from Monday to Thursday takes place the next day, while transactions from Friday to Sunday are settled on Mondays. If you would like more detailed information about the transactions that have been settled for a particular day, you can simply view all the details by clicking on the settlement. The DSR report provides details on transactions from the previous day settled today. If any transactions from yesterday remain unsettled today, they will be settled the next day. The report also indicates any charges applicable for this settlement period. End of month report. The end of month report offers a comprehensive breakdown of monthly transactions. Dive into the merchant statement, which will provide you a clear breakdown of the transactions taken for the month by card type and the charges associated, and tapping on a specific month gives you the full statement in PDF format. In the monthly statement, you will discover details for a specific month including statement period, start date and end date, merchant ID and GMS ID, total turnover for the month, charges information. Daily Settlement Report. Use the app to easily share a PDF statement with your accountant or anyone for informational purposes. Transaction history. Now let's explore transaction history. Depending on your package, access your transaction history for the last 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. Filter by date range, view total transactions, and sale amounts. Each transaction shows card type, masked card number, amount, and type. Easily navigate through pages and stay informed with color-coded indicators for transaction status. Customer ticket support. We have introduced a customer support section to streamline your service-related queries. Raise a ticket by selecting the reason for contact, input your query, and attach supporting files. Upon submission, receive a confirmation message with a ticket reference number. FAQ section. Lastly, our FAQ section provides answers to commonly asked questions. Easily find solutions categorized into technical support, customer support, and account support. And there you have it. The Be Online app is your key to monitoring transactions, accessing reports, and getting support hassle-free for your business. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. For more information, visit GlorydaleMerchantServices.com. Thanks for watching.